Hey guys, today we're unboxing this Cooler Master chassis. This is the Lite 3 and yeah, it's just a nice chassis for building your stuff into, and yeah, let's see what's in the box. Right, so let's get this out of the box. I'm just gonna drop the box like this so you can see it's packaged in a nice foam there, and there's a little booklet that you get with. Let's get this out. Okay, there's another little booklet. This is a Micro ATX chassis. And there you go. This is a Micro ATX chassis, and it's got the buttons at the top, so your power and your reset. There you've got your, this is just for stereo headphones, and there's your mic port, a USB 3, USB 2, and that's just a blank port. It's not a button or anything like that. So the buttons are on the top, and you've got a nice mesh at the side. In front, you've got this bay for a DVD or multi-writer. If you don't want to use it, you can just install a hard drive behind that, I think. If you pull this off, you have access to your fans. This is just a basic, just a cover. There is ventilation on the sides. So that is where you can screw in your fans or service the front of the chassis. Let's get that back. Opens up very easily. There you can see the nice Cooler Master, the nice Cooler Master logo. On the back, no vents or anything like that. There you've got a fan already installed. We'll see that now on the inside, and it's got these thumb screws that makes it easy to open the sides and take them off. Let's quickly take off these sides, and then these are plastic. I'm just going to put them there at the back. It's just a, yeah, let's say it's a solid plate, not too, too thin, not too hard or too thick, just right. So yeah, as I said, there you've got your bay for your DVD or multi-writer, and you can also install a hard drive in there if you want. This also, you can install a hard drive. There's no front cover for that, so you won't be able to install something like a memory card reader or whatever with this. You'll have to use a USB one, and there's a little slot where you can slide in a SSD. So you can, yeah, you've got a lot of options to install drives and stuff. There you can see you can install your larger fans. It's got USB 3 for the front, so on the motherboard you plug that in. Let's take this off. Bit of screws and few cable ties and stuff, just your basic stuff you get with every chassis. This one has already got this nice fan in, so, and it's got a 3-pin plug. This as a, yeah, it's a Micro ATX-M, and Mini ATX-I will also fit in here. Up top is where your power supply will be installed. So, but the whole thing is it's a very solid chassis. And it's got, at the bottom, it's got these rubber feet, so it doesn't scratch the surface it stands on, and it's also really sticky, so the chassis won't just move or slide off. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Oh, it's got a for on the inside, it's got a normal USB 2 plug also, and then your high definition audio, and just these normal little connectors for the hard drive, LED, power switch, and that stuff. So that's the Cooler Master Lite 3, whatever, unboxed, and yeah, hopefully that gives you a clue of what you're buying and what you're getting when you buy this. So, thanks for watching.